Good morning from Blackpool Pleasure Beach. Grand National is probably about a week away from reopening towards the end of June, and today, even on a Saturday, it is testing. It started testing in the week and it's testing today. The ride team are on there, not engineers, like the actual people who are going to be operating the ride when there's people on it. So I'm going to do a bit of a Grand National update. I've been meaning to do this for a couple of weeks. They've done a lot of painting up around the station and the first turnaround from the station up into the lift hill, and then hopefully we'll capture some testing as well. I don't think they're testing it like constantly, but they're sending a few trains around every now and again. So yeah, let's have a look at what the station looks like in the area around it, because as I said, I've been meaning to do a specific video for this for quite a while. I have just done an Invictus update as well. There's a lot that's been demolished on Bowlerdrome, not much left standing, so go and check it out. There we go, we have movements. Shout out to staff on there. Doesn't look like they've actually changed anything with the braking system though, like some people suggested they might do, because obviously it takes ages to get from the offload to the onload. I think that was actually quicker than usual. There's a new wristband on here as well, which probably isn't, some school kids put that there, so that's not going to stay there. But yeah, this bit was done in 2022, all this glass bit, and it looks amazing. And what they've done with this particular refurbishment, the air gates are open. Does that mean I can go on it? Yeah? Right. I'll see you in a minute. Well, they closed the air gates before I had the chance to go there. It's not good enough, this. But go on, get them restraints checked. Honestly, shout out to Lucas. But yeah, they've painted all this around here. Yeah, they've done this red bit. They haven't done like the top, but they've done like the floor around here. And then obviously the red bit's like, what would you even call this bit? Because, hello Joey, they're not supports them, are they? They're like just wood that are like stacked. You alright?
Good day. Oh,
good day. Nice to see you, yeah.
Hello YouTube.
Here we go, they've made the way to the dispatch buttons. Press it! I've not got loads of storage, you know, there we go. Oh, I'm not having this. Honestly, I'm happy to see it back up and running. This is my first time seeing it. And I've missed this ride, and it's just done a load of rain in. How good would this ride be right now? How wet that train is, yeah. There we have it. So there's this train and the blue train on the other side as well. But this is what they've done paintwork wise, and it looks nice. There's a speaker right on top of here, so I'm gonna have to be nice and loud, but without getting too close, because obviously they're working on it. The air gates have been completely repainted, fresh coat of paint on the air gates, which is fantastic. It was a bit peely, some of the paint was sort of coming off at one point. Obviously not the top priority of things, but it's just a presentation thing really, isn't it? Like, that looks a lot better than it did because the air gates have been repainted. And I think they've done these little pillars as well, because they used to have a bit of red paint on with one of these two, and I can't see that, so that's good. Don't think they've given it a full repaint, but apart from that bit of red that was on it, it doesn't really need it. It's in pretty good condition to me. Have they painted these handrails? I've just missed a siren. But yeah, it looks like they've painted this as well. They've given it a nice little freshen up for its 90th. And hopefully that's for an event that will go with it as well. But I think that's all there is to show. I'll go and show like the brake run. Next time they send a test train around, I'll go and film it going up the lift hill and the brake run as well. And then I'll end this hopefully short Grand National update ahead of its opening, because I reckon it's going to be open by next week, you know. Probably at some point this week. So I'll see you for that video. Here's the other side of the repaint, like the first turnaround from the station. I think they've done it from here all the way to the lift hill, to be honest. I do feel like there's a slight improvement on the time it takes to get from the offload to the onload, and I really hope that's the case, because capacity wasn't really great, especially when it was kind of permanently knocked down to 2 trains. Like, Are we ever going to see Grand National on 4 trains now? Who knows? But this bit's been repainted. It's looking lovely. But yeah, it used to take forever. They used to have to keep it there. And I know obviously they don't have to wait for people to get on and off the ride at the moment because they're testing it. But it just seems to be taking less time. But I'm going to have to pay attention to that when it does open. But that's why it gets dispatched. And there is an operations cabin as well. So there we go. Mobius Loop coaster, 1935 opening. And it's 90 years old this year. This has all been painted up as well. There used to be a lot of like bits and pieces around here, sort of lying around that they were using, basically. They've done the brake run and stuff as well. So they've given it a nice freshen up. I'm going to head to the bottom at Lift Hill now because I think we're about to send another pair of test trains. Here it comes. Any minute now. They are on the way. It's nice to hear it again. It's another launch pad situation really, where it's nice to hear that ride after so long. Like the siren that it makes, the noises of the brakes and stuff, and the lift hill as well. It's just really, really nice to see it. And I'm just at the point now where I'm very excited. We're pretty much halfway through the season now almost. And Grand National's obviously had an extended period of maintenance. This is where the repaint stopped. But they can do that any winter really, can't they? But they've made the station look nice, and that's all that matters really. There we go, the chains are running again. Grand National's testing. And I'll wait here to see it make this final leg towards the brake run. Here we go then, I reckon it'll be making its way around this corner any moment now. There we have it. Blue is winning. There we have it. And there we go at the winning post where they have repainted it, but it's just nice to see. It really is. And it will be running well today with the rain because it's starting again. I'm undercover here, so yeah, Grand National is testing very frequently now. It's awesome to see, it's awesome to hear. Too optimistic. I need to get some photos for the thumbnail and that's about it, but what I just want to say before I do wrap it up, they have done some track work as well. I'll put a picture on your screen from what I
Is it on the second
saw.
set of drops?
It is on the second set of drops. So I took a picture probably about a month ago now, but like, how no one.
Oh God!
It's just wants to record. No one spotted this happening. No scaffolding went up. No one
Not on your
actually
little
saw
Facebook
any of it
groups.
happening. The second drop just looks really fresh, and hopefully that means it's going to be. Yeah, hopefully. If there's any bit of Grand National that does actually need a bit of retracking, it's the bit that flattens out on the double down.
Yeah, that's the worst bit.
Yeah, before making like doing the second half.
That's the only reason why that's the only part where it's really good.
I'm not doing it back road.
But as I said, you've probably seen the picture now. It's looking really fresh on that drop, and hopefully, this smooth wooden roller coaster is still smooth. I can't wait to say it. Maybe this time next week we'll be saying smooth wooden roller coaster time again. We'll do a separate video for when it does reopen, so stay tuned. But let's go and get a picture out there, and we'll wrap up this Grand National video. It's probably a bit longer than I was expecting it to be honest. There we have it there, and I can't wait for smooth wooden roller coaster time again. Can't wait to get back on Grand National. Best woody in the country, it's back. And it'll be interesting to see what other bits of track work have been done as well as that drop. I'm sure there's more. Hopefully the ride experience is just that good, to be honest. And as I said, hopefully it's true that it does actually take less time to get from there to there. Just to enhance the capacity, to be honest, because it's not the best of stations to be waiting in. It's a bit crowded and stuff. But there we go, worth it. Gotta make the most of it when it comes back. And I don't really know what else there is to say. But yeah, hopefully the 90th anniversary events are out soon as well. But for now, thank you very much for watching. Let me know, are you excited to get back on Grand National? And check out the screen to see more. Doing the Victus update this morning. See you in the next video, whenever that'll be.